In the pristine waters of the United Arab Emirates, a growing concern threatens our marine ecosystems and human well-being. Welcome to the groundbreaking project, LEAD Micro, a real-time monitoring and early detection system for microplastic impact on United Arab Emirates coastal environment and human health. Join us on this epic voyage as we take the helm, steering towards a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future. Together, we will lead Micro, illuminating a path towards a brighter tomorrow. LEAD Micro, live an early detection system for microplastic impact on United Arab Emirates coastal environment and human health. Through this project, United Arab Emirates can lead the way in addressing plastic pollution, contributing to a cleaner and healthier marine environment for future generations. In a world where marine ecosystems face an escalating threat, a silent intruder lurks beneath the surface: microplastics. As these tiny pollutants pervade waters worldwide, scientists, policymakers, and the public grow increasingly concerned about their potential impact on the environment and human health. In response to this pressing issue, the Microplastic Impact on Coastal Environment and Human Health project emerges as a beacon of hope. Its overarching goal, to investigate and understand the effects of microplastics in the coastal regions of the United Arab Emirates. Moreover, it aims to develop an innovative live-in-early detection system to monitor these impacts, enabling timely interventions to protect aquatic life and safeguard human well-being. With the spotlight on targeted intervention, the project aims to unravel the sources, types, and pathways of microplastics in the aquatic realm. By understanding how these pollutants interact with marine organisms, informed approaches can be developed to control and limit microplastic pollution in these precious waters. But the project's mission extends beyond the marine realm. It delves into the potential health implications of microplastic exposure on human populations. By investigating and measuring microplastics in human feces, urine, blood, and breast milk, researchers strive to assess the extent of human exposure and associated risks. These findings will offer valuable insights into the links between environmental microplastic exposure and human health, guiding public health policies and practices. By studying the effects of microplastics on the environment and human health, it aspires to generate comprehensive data, inform evidence-based policies, raise awareness, and promote sustainable practices. Through safeguarding the marine ecosystem and protecting human health, this project shines as a guiding light towards a cleaner, healthier, and more resilient future for the United Arab Emirates and the wider Gulf region. To achieve real-time monitoring and early detection of microplastic pollution, we propose the development of a cutting-edge live detection system. This system will consist of detectors deployed at different distances in the sea, with the ability to connect to 4G and 5G networks through SIM cards to transmit information to a centralized data center on the ground. The key features of the live detection system are as follows. Advanced sensors. The detectors will be equipped with advanced sensors specifically designed to detect and quantify microplastics in water samples continuously. Real-time data transmission. By leveraging 4G and 5G networks, the detectors will be capable of transmitting real-time data on the percentage and types of microplastics present in the aquatic environment. Data visualization. The collected data will be processed and presented in various forms, tailored to the existing aquatic life in the specific area. This will allow for a better understanding of the potential impact of microplastic pollution on marine organisms. Early warning mechanism. The system will be designed to trigger alerts when microplastic concentrations exceed predetermined thresholds, enabling rapid response to emerging pollution events. Remote monitoring. The live detection system will allow remote monitoring and control, reducing the need for constant physical intervention and providing a cost-effective solution for long-term monitoring. By implementing the proposed live and early detection system, we will significantly advance our knowledge of microplastic pollution in United Arab Emirates coastal areas. This innovation will not only provide real-time information on microplastic concentrations but also help in assessing their potential effects on aquatic life and human health. This knowledge will be essential in designing targeted strategies to control and limit microplastic pollution in the Gulf region, ultimately contributing to the preservation of marine ecosystems and safeguarding public health. Given the widespread and well-documented impacts of microplastics on human health, particularly through their interaction with marine life, there is an urgent need to address plastic waste and microplastic pollution in the Gulf Coast environment. The proposed live and early detection system aims to contribute significantly to reducing the negative impacts of plastic waste and microplastics on the marine ecosystem and human health. The project's ambition is to provide policymakers with the knowledge and data necessary to develop effective responses and mechanisms for tackling plastic pollution. By offering real-time information on microplastic concentrations and their potential effects on aquatic life, This system will enable policymakers to make informed decisions and adopt relevant laws and regulations that mitigate the impact of plastics on human health and the marine environment. The Gulf countries, with their high population density and economic activities such as fishing, shipping, industry, and tourism, are particularly vulnerable to plastic contamination. The live detection system will play a crucial role in monitoring and assessing the distribution of microplastics, allowing for targeted interventions to protect marine biodiversity and preserve marine habitats. Microplastics, as primary or secondary pollutants, pose significant risks to marine organisms and ecosystems. The system's early warning mechanism will provide valuable alerts when microplastic concentrations exceed safe thresholds, facilitating swift responses to emerging pollution events. Furthermore, this innovation will contribute to raising awareness among researchers, environmental practitioners, and the public about the severity of plastic pollution and its impact on marine life and human health. By providing a solid foundation for understanding human exposure to microplastics, the project will enhance our ability to address this pressing environmental and public health issue. With the growing production and usage of plastics globally, the concentration of microplastics in the environment is continuously rising. The proposed detection system will be a crucial tool in monitoring and understanding the sources and pathways of microplastics, enabling the formulation of effective waste management policies and pollution prevention strategies. The negative health implications of microplastics, including oxidative damage, neurotoxicity, and obesogenic effects, have been identified through various studies. The early detection system will help in understanding and mitigating these hazardous effects, ensuring the well-being of human populations. Moreover, the system will allow for the identification of sources of microplastics intake by humans, such as food, water, and plastic products, and their potential effects on vulnerable populations like infants and children. By raising awareness about these risks, the project aims to encourage individuals to make conscious choices in reducing plastic consumption and promoting a sustainable lifestyle. In the face of an escalating issue, microplastic pollution in marine ecosystems, the United Arab Emirates takes a stand. This ambitious project aims to investigate the impact of microplastics on both the environment and human health in United Arab Emirates coastal regions, deploying an innovative live and early detection system to monitor and protect our precious waters. Our first objective is to establish a baseline for microplastic pollution, comprehensively assessing its composition, distribution, and abundance in our coastal environment. Armed with this knowledge, we can prioritize effective strategies to combat this ubiquitous contaminant. Understanding the sources, types, and pathways of microplastics is paramount. By delving into the interaction between microplastics and marine organisms, we can develop targeted approaches to control and limit pollution in our Gulf. Preserving our marine biodiversity and the health of our fisheries is key. We'll evaluate the ecological effects of microplastics on aquatic species, ensuring the sustainability of our vital food chain. But this project goes beyond the environment. We also focus on human health. Assessing the extent of human exposure to microplastics and its associated risks will guide public health policies, securing the well-being of our communities. Advancing scientific understanding is a cornerstone. Investigating the impact of microplastics on molecular and genetic markers will provide invaluable insights into the potential health risks associated with exposure. Our mission is clear: safeguarding our marine ecosystem and protecting human health. With comprehensive data, evidence-based policies, and sustainable practices, we chart a path towards a cleaner, healthier, and more resilient future for the United Arab Emirates and the wider Gulf region. Join us in this vital endeavor, as we stand united, committed to a shared vision, a brighter, cleaner, and healthier future for all.